Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new training session on our YouTube channel. You're now on the first course Networking Concepts. But before starting this course we must understand why we need security, why security is important for us, why we're talking about security, cybersecurity, and why we're getting training on this platform. We need physical security, just as we need cybersecurity, because we are connected with the internet, and we are in our virtual worlds. Security here is becoming more important. And this training you will get to know what are the networking concepts, what is cryptography, what does encryption, what is physical security, according to cyber attacks. So now we are going to start our first course, that is networking concepts. The objective of this course will be to in class 1, to get to know about networking fundamentals, network types, network type topologies, LAN protocols, WAN protocols, and network devices. So let's dive into class 1, networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals teaches computer science students the building blocks of modern network design, as we get the architecture of our network, from which we are connected, in case you know all the typologies, all the networking devices and all the networking fundamentals, and you will get to know how you are connected with the internet. What is the basic architecture from which you are connected? For example, if you were in a building, and you know how many floors there are in the building, where the gates are, where the windows are, then you know the architecture of that particular building. It's similar in the case of being connected to the internet and knowing all the networking fundamentals. So there are many different kinds of networks and network topologies and technologies used to create them. The proliferation of network methods has generally occurred for very good reasons. Different needs require different solutions. The drawback of this is that there are so many types of protocols and technologies for the network student to understand. The network topologies and protocols are very wide. We have different kinds of networks and we have different kinds of protocols. So it's really tough for students to get to know before you can really compare these approaches. You need to understand some of the basic characteristics that make networks what they are. First is network types here. I'm talking about LAN and WAN. So first, what is LAN, or a local area network, is a group of computers and associated devices that share a common communication line or wireless link to a server. Typically, a LAN encompasses computers and peripherals connected to a server within a small geographic area, such as an office building or a home. If someone is connected with a single line, maybe it's broadband, maybe it's wireless, that is called a local area network. It's a very small range network, and it will be, or it is in a particular office or a particular home, or just a particular building. Computers and other mobile devices can share resources, such as a printer or a network storage. They can share with each other because they are connected by the same network. A local area network may serve as few as 2 or 3 users in a home or office, as many as hundreds or thousands of users. So a lot is a group of computers or peripheral devices that are sharing a common communication line. That's the important aspect of a LAN. WAN, or a wide area network, or a geographically dispersed telecommunications network. LAN is in a particular building, home or office, but WAN can connect multiple locations dispersed throughout a geography. A wide area network may be privately owned or rented and usefully connects the inclusion of public networks. This ensures that computer users in one location can communicate with computer users in another location, and LAN's users can communicate within a single building, and in WAN they can communicate within multiple buildings across several locations. WAN are similar to a banking system, where hundreds of branches and different cities are connected with each other in order to share their official data. I hope you understand about network security technology properly. So in upcoming videos, we will know more about network security and concept of computer networks and cybersecurity. If you want to give something in return for my free knowledge, then definitely like this video, and you must have subscribed to my channel, because I am going to bring many important courses in the coming time, which will be free of cost, available on my YouTube channel and my blog. Now allow your friend. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.